Hi guys, it's Dan here.
Hi.
Hi.
Today we're with obviously Elaine and Michelle and Douglas from up the north, and today we're in Ayr. And why are we in Ayr when it's so bleeding freezing?
Yes, very cool.
And it's certainly cold. So we'll make this short and sweet. But anyway, today we're here celebrating their first deal. Now, what kind of experience did you have before you did this deal?
None. Absolutely none.
No commercial property experience at all, which is pretty cool. And what do we have here? So this is your first acquisition. Just talk us through what this acquisition actually is.
So there's a 9-bed HMO on the top, then we've got a taxi office, and we've got a hairdressers, a taxi.
We don't have a hairdressers.
No, sorry.
No, that's the next purchase.
Taxi office, we've got a joiner shop, and
A cafe.
So taxi, joiner shop,
adult shop.
cafe, and an adult shop. Would you believe?
13 income streams.
13
from
income
this.
streams and one is quite saucy, being an adult shop. But you know, the key thing is, it's an asset that's been here for decades and will be here for decades to come.
Yeah.
And I suppose the key thing is, what are the highlight numbers? Well, this was on the market for offers over 340,
340.
and we managed to bag this, not immediately, but I ended up with Michelle and Douglas managed to bag this for 240, which was how much under valuation?
40 grand.
40 grand under valuation. Now that was a story in itself, and we won't go into that because that could take a long time to tell you how that happened.
And it's very cold.
And it's very cold, and it was a very emotional journey. But it was on the market for offers over 340, and the valuation came in at 280, and we managed to bag it for £240,000. Now the great thing about this, obviously, was that the day they buy it, they get a rent check. Now that's not too shabby. And as we kind of teach, you know, newcomers into the space of commercial property, you should always start with cash flow. Cash flow is king, so why not buy existing cash flow streams? As long as you're buying value, adding value, and then creating, you know, having that cash flow over a long term. Now, in this kind of commercial, what we have is, you know, debt reduction. We have an amortizing loan. And how long will it take to pay this off, do you think?
15 years.
Yeah, 15 years.
Over.
15 years, and that loan costs about £700 a month, and the income's about 2,800.
Yeah,
Yep.
2000.
So after debt servicing, after tenants will pay the loan down over 15 years, there's still positive cash flow day one of £2,100.
Not too shabby. It's not
It's
too shabby.
not too shabby at all.
Can I just say, you know, instant income, we literally signed for it, and
Yeah.
then the next week we were seeing money going into the bank.
And-
pinching ourselves.
And this is a no money down deal.
Yep.
Yeah,
It's a no money down deal as well, so
Yeah.
there's a little Brucey bonus. But the key thing, I suppose, is the day they bought, within a week, they had income coming into their bank. And, you know, income of £2,800 a month, £700 capital and interest, so the tenants will pay the debt off over 15 years. But every month, there's over £2,000 coming in positive cash flow after debt servicing that can build up and be a deposit on the next, you know, commercial property. So if you want to know how to do this, if you want to learn more, then I would maybe encourage you to go to a little website called Taylor Capital. So that's taylorcapital.co.uk. So taylorcapital.co.uk, and we're giving you a deeper insight into this deal and two other clients' deals as well that are all the same. Income day one, buying existing income streams. One of the income streams in that case study is a 41-year-old income stream. In fact, how long has this been about, this one? Yeah, you know, how long's Frank owned it?
Oh, 20 odd years.
Hairdresser's been there for
40 years,
Yeah.
and the hairdresser's been there for 40
Yeah,
years.
so Frank, the previous owner, had this for 20 odd years, obviously paid down the debt to zero. The tenants in here just now will pay the debt down to zero in 15 years. So existing income streams, cash flow is king, it's the way forward. Always buy cash flow, always buy commercial. If you want to know more, where do you go? Taylor?
Dan's. Oh, not danceclass.com.
Well, you can actually go to danceclass.com or taylorcapital.co.uk. One of the two, they all lead to the same place. So where are you going to go?
taylorcapital.co.uk.
Happy days. Anyway, sign out because I'm all purple. Absolutely Baltic. See you all soon again, and we'll do another, just to give you an idea of the size of this. Now, this is the first commercial deal. No experience. And look at this. Look at this. There's the saucy one. There's the saucy one there, the adult shop. We've got the cafe, we've got the hairdressers, taxi, joiners, and 9-bed HMO upstairs. It's absolutely fantastic. And anyway, congrats to these guys, Michelle and Douglas. It's going to be the first. It'll be the first of many. Watch this space because they're in negotiation right now with what's the value of the one right now?
Just under 3 million.
Just under 3 million combined deals they're in negotiating with right now, and they have JV investors kind of lined up, actually knocking on the door to invest in these deals. There's still some fine-tuning on the deals because a deal never ever presents itself as an absolute cracker of a deal day one. There's always fine-tuning to be done, or what I refer to as deal sculpting, but I'm sure they're going to get there. Anyway, we'll see you all again soon, so sign out. Bye guys.
Bye.
See you all next time. Bye.